In this video, I'll be talking about how to specify colors in CSS. You can specify colors in CSS either by writing the word, the hex code, or RGB. The first is an example using Word. I've set the header 1's background color to red. The entire list of colors that you can use, honestly, nobody memorizes. So if you don't know them by heart, it's fine. Just look them up as you need. The second example is an example using hex code. And I think this is the preferred method. You can find the hex code of a particular color on a color wheel. Just Google them. Just Google color picker. There's plenty of examples. I think Google even has one that comes with it by default. Just search color picker, and that's how you get the value. Again, no one, of course, memorizes hex codes. So all you have to do is look them up as necessary. And the third example is using RGB. The formula goes like this. The first numeric value is red. The second numeric value is green. The third numeric value is blue. 255 is the max. 0 is the minimum. So the third example, I've written red because the red is turned to full and everything else is turned to none. So if I were to set the second value equal to the full 255 and set the other two values to 0, that's green. If I turn off the first and second to 0 and I set the last value to full, I would get blue. If I set everything off 0, 0, 0, I get black. If I set them all to full, interesting enough, I would actually get white. Quite cool. Again, nobody memorizes this. There's actually more than these three methods, but I would just stick personally with the hex code because it's easiest to look up. I would not worry about the other methods. And in terms of what you can set color for, typically you set the color for the background, for the font, and the border colors. Basically that's it. And basically like that. Anyways, that about finishes this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and I'll see you next time.